So, what is Flutter? It is an open source framework developed by Google for building mobile, desktop, and web applications. In software development, a framework is just like a toolkit for building applications. Imagine it as a recipe for baking a cake. So, as recipe gives you the basic steps and ingredients needed to make a cake, the same way Flutter provides the essential tools and resources such as ready-made components and libraries to help you build applications quickly and easily. So a question arises, why should we use Flutter? And the answer is Flutter is cross-platform. So what does that mean? So it means that when you write code in Flutter, the same code can generate Android, iOS, web, macOS and Windows application for you. So you don't need to use different technologies to build applications for all these platforms. You can just learn Flutter and build applications for all these platforms using a single code file. Flutter is one of the most popular technologies for building applications in today's world. Some popular applications built in Flutter includes Alibaba application, eBay Motors, Google Ads, Google Pay, Toyota, and so on. And inside this course, we are going to use Flutter for building AI-powered smart applications. So let's begin.